Now that we've seen how you can set up your addition problems with fractions, why don't you try one on your own? I'm going to write it out for you. Let's do 3/4 plus 2/5. Now I'd like for you to try this one on your own, so what I want you to do is pause the video, see if you can solve this one on your guided practice section of your worksheet. See if you can solve this fraction addition problem, and then you can press play and we'll see if we got it right. So our first step, we see that 4 and 5 are not the same. They're not common. We need a common denominator. So I'm going to make an equivalent fraction for each of them, so I'm not changing the value. I'm just making an equivalent fraction. I need to figure out what number do 4 and 5 both go into. What number are they both factors of? So let me list their multiples. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. Hey, I found one. 20. 20 is a multiple of 4 and 5, and it's the least, meaning the smallest one that they have in common. Their least common multiple. So that is my new denominator. Now, to get from 4 to 20, I can count my multiples. 4 times 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. Top and bottom. Let me count my multiples. 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3, 5 times 4. I'm going to multiply my numerator times my factor. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, so now I'm going to add my numerators together. I'm going to put a plus sign to remind myself I'm adding. 15 plus 8 is 23 out of 20. Now, I have an improper fraction. My numerator is bigger than my denominator, so I can make one whole out of that. I can make a whole pizza, 20 out of 20 slices. So I can make one whole pizza, 20 out of 20 slices. How many slices do I then have left? I have 3. I took out 20 slices. I have 3 slices left out of a pizza that holds 20. I have 1 and 3/20. The other way I could have found this mixed number is by doing 23 divided by 20. Goes in one time. And then my remainder is 3. So I made one whole, and my remainder is 3 over 20. 1 and 3/20 is my answer. Is that what you got? Good job.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.